Hello everyone. Have you been using AI? Have you been using it the right way or the wrong way? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the not so good side, or what people call the dark side of AI. I know AI has been very instrumental to a lot of things. I'm using it, I've used it, I'm still using it, and it helps a lot of people to, do their job faster and even better. But we all know that what is good can also have its own dark side. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the dark side of AI. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gabriel. I create content around information, technology, entertainment, money, and investment. And if you've not yet subscribed, don't leave this channel without subscribing. It's not going to cost you anything. It's for free. So please like, subscribe, and you can also share this information to your friends and family. They might find it useful. So first thing first, you need to understand about AI. AI thrives on data. The data you feed artificial intelligence, that determines the result you get. So that brings us to the number one example, being biased. Artificial intelligence can be biased because the information you give it determines the output you get. Let's take, for example, if you train your AI using more of male resume applicants in creating your maybe your resume screener to be able to screen people for a job and all that stuff, trust me, your AI is going to tend to favor more of the male folks than the female. Because why? The data that it was fed was not balanced. So that cuts across every area. If imagine this being used in judiciary, imagine this being used by the police, imagine this being used by any other sensitive government parastatal, imagine the damage it would do if a particular set of people's information are fed to this artificial intelligence. It's going to cause a lot of problem because it's going to model its data or whatever information is going to give you back according to what is available in the system. Another thing we need to be concerned about is privacy. We know AI right now can pretty much invade anything. I kid you not. AI can be used for cameras, for microphones, for anything whatsoever. So that brings regulation. If there's no privacy regulation on the limitations of AI, it can do a lot of damage. In China, AI is being used to monitor people, and which is not supposed to be. AI is not supposed to be used for surveillance. Because it can do it, that doesn't mean you should do it. So in terms of privacy, AI can be a problem. That's another dark side of AI that people should be concerned about. With the rate at which artificial intelligence is going, AI can become a really big problem in terms of privacy. And now let's come down to jobs. We all know that there's going to be a lot of job displacement with this current trend of AI, because some things that people are usually employed for to do, many of them can be automated now with artificial intelligence. Because if you feed AI the necessary information it needs, it can pretty much carry out any human-based task effectively with minimal error. Because the error that it's going to have is going to be the one coming from you, not the one from the machine. Because machine don't make error. Only humans make error. So in terms of that, there might be job issues, job displacement, but at the end of the day, that's another dark side of AI that we really don't want to experience. Okay, that's a very dark side we don't want to experience. So let's keep the jobs. And a good example of this is what T-Mobile did. T-Mobile, they engaged the technology of artificial intelligence in their customer representative service. But the good thing is that they didn't let go of their customers rep. They incorporate them together to work with the artificial intelligence, which is good. There are sometimes you don't want to be talking to machines. You want to talk to an actual human being. So that's why it is also good to have both humans and both the machine. The machine, if you have just little thing, that doesn't really require too much technicalities. But if you need something and you need somebody that is physical to help you do it, like some cases require, then you need a human. AI cannot do everything. AI can't. All right. The final one is misuse. This, I believe some of us have experienced it. AI can be used in a very dangerous way. Very dangerous way. AI can be used to create fake audios. AI can be used to create fake videos. AI can be used to create fake photos. These three things AI can be used, which is called the deep fake. Whenever you hear the word deep fake, that's what it is. Deep fake is the process where you use artificial intelligence to create very realistic things like audio, video, photos, and all that stuff. So that's another area or another dark side of AI that we all need to be concerned about. AI can be used for deepfake, and when such information are in the public space and is not properly scrutinized, it can cause a whole lot of damage. Imagine you seeing photo or video of people you look up to, saying or doing some very, very unholy things. You might begin to have a very consideration, about them or about doing what they are or what they said in that video. That is fake. You know what I'm saying? That is fake. So that's the dark side of artificial intelligence. We have it being biased, we have it lacking transparency, we have it invading privacy, we have it causing job displacement, and the last but not the least, creating very dangerous misinformation that can lead to maybe even loss of lives. So I haven't shared all this. I hope you like this content. If you do, don't forget to give it a like. You can leave a comment, and before you leave, if you're still watching, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not. You can leave a comment on what you'd like us to work on next. I'm glad to do that. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. And having said that, peace.